Boom. And do you see how, especially for my software people, I know I don't want to be offensive to you, but let's try and not talk about bits, bytes, blinking lights, right? Dashboards. I know your dashboards are super sexy and you guys are really proud of them. Great job. But let's talk about what's that next financial milestone that you're achieving, that you're trying to achieve? What's the next big milestone that you want to achieve with the organization? Oh, we'd like to grow by 5%, right? What's kind of your vision of getting there? Well, we need to be able to onboard people or whatever it was. Now, when you follow up, you can simply say, hey, call in to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement so we can get the software in place so you guys can be well on your way to growing by 5%. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. Now, if they're looking at 1, 2, or 3 other software vendors, guess what they're going to do? Either A, not follow up, because that's what most people do because they're not on eastonuniversity.com, or B, they're going to go, oh, hey, Matt, it's Brad over here at Brad Software. Just seeing if you had time to look at the proposal that we sent. By the way, what day is it today? Thursday. Happy Thursday to you. Hump day was yesterday. Oh man, was it cold outside. Oh boy. All right, well, toodaloos, just checking in with you, right? Unskillful. And if you're the person, hey, Matt, it's Mike with Acme Software, calling to see if it makes sense to sign the agreement on that proposal that we sent your way so we can get you well on the way to increasing your revenues by 5%. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202.